So today it was a good day because I succeed to go forward with my Dapp without have some bug, and also I had some meeting with like-minded people, and so it was sometimes when you develop a stuff, I used to think that okay I can do all things alone, but now that I talk with other people about my project and uh, now I have a co-founder and maybe I will have other co-founder on this project or on other project maybe and yes it's a lesson to it's a real lesson for me to, that I learned today that yeah, uh, I don't have to be alone. And when we are several people on a project, things go things go well. Things goes well. Sorry for my English. I work on it, and even on my accent. You will see in 6 months. Uh, I will no. I hope I will be more comfortable in English soon. But okay. So today, uh, I had some meeting with like-minded people. I also working on refactoring my Dapp, and this time I try to build. um I check if the build work, and even with Web3 functionality, my build work. So normally in production mode, it will work. So I will see that. I also implement a GetForm. So now, oh, maybe I can do a demo on GetForm. So here, it's my form, and if I do that, test test.com, on here, entre you are lucky that I here I get raised. Ready to launch here, project if description. Okay, so if I do that, your message has been sent. And if I go, okay, now get form block, it's very simple to implement that. I used to use Typeform and pay $40 for that. Of course, I have more feature with Typeform, but for an MVP, it's not necessary to use Typeform. So here and here if we can check my last, okay, test, where is it? Okay, I think it's ready to launch. Description, where is it? I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah. And here it's how I implement this feature in the code side. So I don't have my glasses. So here, feature components. No, oh no, it's a page because I use Next.js. So here, it's very simple. So here, it's my get from 8 points. And so I have to set the states and handle change, my handle submit layout. So here it's I will show you. So here this part it's this part, and here are my inputs. And with a submit it works. So perfect. I used also Typeform for my daily video and no, GetMaker. I really recommend this platform because there are a lot of entrepreneurs that commit every day to post what they did each day. So it's very interesting. And so yes, I had some meeting with potential other co-founder and advisor, and I meet some wonderful people that share my values. And also I had a meeting with my co-founder, and I feel like our project step by step take shape. So it's very good. That's it for today. Bye bye.